there, you know that, honey, and lots of traffic. Why did you just walk off without your mom? That's not what you do. That's not what you do. There's lots of Camp Forest and very disgusting, right place to sit. We can sit right here and have the camp out right here. Honey, don't run away again. You know that's the rules of camp out. Come here. We need to listen what she says in a very long time to wait because we're going to watch a movie there and you need to be patient. Patient. Very patient. Look it. We need to be patient and we can have a lot of cookies and our vegetables tomorrow. Okay. Right. Okay, yes, that's good. You can only have one cookie, honey. Honey, you don't want to have your tummy too full.
Archie was my grandfather Wilson's dog.
Here.